Hey y'all, happy 4th of July. So today I will be unboxing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 Sunny Angels. One is a hipper and the rest are just the regular ones. So I will be doing that for today. I wanted to start off with this one. This one's really cute. I like it. I like the options too. They're very cute. Very summery. So I will start off with this one and the one that I want. Let me see. This cherry one is cute. This bunny's cute. This cat one is cute. Yeah, those three are really cute to me. Okay, so I will start opening the cherry blossom collection. Okay, let's see what I get. Okay. Tell me what y'all think in the comments what I'm gonna get. I don't know, I can't really tell. Okay. Oh, I think I got the cat. I did. Oh, okay, that's cute. Okay. So I got the cat. Looks a little bit different from the box. Okay, and the next one that I'm gonna do is this Japanese Good Luck series. These are the options. Yeah. I already have this one. If anything, I want this one or whichever one are the secrets. Why is there so many? I don't know. So let's see. Oh, I was able to open it. Like that. Okay. Oh, I ripped the box. Okay. So this, I don't know. Oh, I think it's one of the big ones. But yeah, let me open this. Okay, which one is it? Is it the one I wanted? Yeah, it's the one I wanted. Oh my god, it's detached. So horrible. Okay. Good Luck, Japanese Good Luck series. This one's so cute. Okay. These are the two I have so far. Cherry Blossom and Japanese Good Luck series. These are really cute. So the next one I'm gonna do is this astronaut one. It's open. It came that way. So the one that I want is, let's see. Oh, this pink astronaut one is cute. The sun, the bunny, or the pink one. I mean, any really is really cute. But I really want the pink one. Either one of the pink ones. Okay, so tell me in the comments what y'all think that I'm gonna get. Okay. Oh, there you go. Okay. I got the bunny! Oh my goodness, it's so pale. But yeah, I got the bunny. How? Oh, it has... Oh, it's supposed to look like the moon. Okay, that's interesting. I'm like, how is this related to space? It has little moon buttons on its uniform. And its head is supposed to be the moon, I guess. But yeah, it's really cute. So these are the three that I have right now. Really cute. This Japanese Good Luck series, the Cherry Blossom series, and the Space series. Yeah, so these are the three that I have right now. The next one I'm gonna do is this Hipper Animal series, series 3. These are the options. I would really want, let me see, the rhino, the giraffe, the poodle. I mean, any are really cute, but I would really want the lop ear rabbit one or the bulldog one, the poodle, the rhino, or the chihuahua. Any of the dog ones. Yeah, or the secret. Or Robbie, the secret. Yeah, whichever one that one is. Okay. Okay, tell me what y'all think I get in the comments. Why is that so okay. Oh, which one is it? Cat. Wow. What? It's not even a... Wow. I really got ripped off at the mall. It's not even a hipper, you guys. It's like just a regular one. They didn't even paint the wings. That's what you get for buying Sonny Angel at the mall. So the 4 I got are the Japanese Good Luck series. Really cute. Really like this one. And then this one is my second favorite. It is the Cherry Blossom one. The shirt is cute. And then this one, you know, it's okay, but it's cute. It's a rabbit. Yeah. This one, no, not so cute. It's green. It's not even a hipper. I got ripped off at the mall, so this is my least favorite one. The last one that I'm gonna show is this Marine series Sonny Angel one. I don't know. I mean, any of the bunny, the elephant. I mean, any of them are fine. I don't know. And, okay, let's try to open it. It's for the 11th and 12th series. I mean, anniversary. I got it at the mall. Let's see what they look like. Okay. Tell me in the comments if you guys even like stuff like this, you know. The Sonny Angel I get at the mall. Okay, so here's like a chair. And here's the body. Oh. Whatever that means. And then, oh look, I got an elephant, an orange one. Okay, that's cute. And it sits, oh my god, it's broken. Okay, so let's put it together. If it even is gonna, and it sits. Oh, that's cute. Okay. So that's that. I got the astronaut series one. It's a rabbit with a moon design, and then the one that isn't a hipper, I got ripped off at the mall. It's the green cat, and then the one that I really like is the Japanese Lucky series. That one's really nice. I like that one. And then this is the Cherry Blossom series. This one's really nice. I like this one, and this one's really cute. It's like a orange elephant, Sonny Angel sitting down. So that one's cute. I like these 3. These 2 not so much. So these 2 are my least favorite, and these 3 are my favorite. Yeah. So thank you for watching. Let me know in the comments if you guys like these type of unboxing videos of Sonny Angels, or just unboxing videos in general. So yeah, thank you for watching, and like and subscribe and share, and I hope you like this video.